Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make taskbar transparent in Windows 10 or 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, open your Microsoft Store and search translucent TB and you will see these options. We have to click on the first one and now hit on install. Once your software is installed, you just have to open it and then hit on continue. Now as you can see, the taskbar is transparent but it is not looking good, so we are going to make it. How we can do that? Just hit right click on the taskbar, then uncheck the option lock the taskbar to unlock the taskbar. Once your taskbar is unlocked, go to search, then click on show search icon. Okay, again click on taskbar, then this time we are going to click on toolbars and hit on links. Okay, as soon as you get these two lines on the links options, we have to drag these two lines towards the left hand till the start button, and once your icons here, we are going to again drag these two lines towards the center. So yeah, there you go, it is now looking good. So now we are again going to hit right click on the links, then this time we are going to uncheck the option show title. So links text is now gone, so we are again going to lock the taskbar and it is now looking decent. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.